ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రాకింగ్ జెసికా. ఇవాల్టి ఎపిసోడ్లో మీరు టోటల్ ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్కి కరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ చేశారో లాస్ట్లో కామెంట్ రూపంలో చెప్పండి. ఇంకా లేట్ ఎందుకు, స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? What is the capital of India? Option A, Bengaluru. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, New Delhi. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Which is the longest river flowing in India? Option A, Indus. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Ganga. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, Ganga. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Himachal Pradesh. Option C, Lakshadweep. Option D, Meghalaya. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which state in India shares a boundary with only one Indian state? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Assam. Option D, Manipur. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Identify the state which is not landlocked. Option A, Haryana. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Chhattisgarh. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. What is the official language of Odisha? Option A, Hindi. Option B, Odia. Option C, Urdu. Option D, Bengali. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Odia. Who is known as the father of the nation? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. Your time starts now. Gandhi. Who is considered as the father of fiber optics? Option A. Shiv Nadar. Option B. Ajay Bhatt. Option C. Narinder Singh Kapani. Option D. Vinod Dham. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Narinder Singh Kapani. Who was the first CEO of Tata Consultancy Services? Option A. Rajesh Gopinathan. Option B. Natarajan Chandrasekaran. Option C. Subramaniam Ramadorai. Option D. Fakir Chand Kohli. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Fakir Chand Kohli. Who became the first chess grandmaster from India? Option A. Dityendu Baura. Option B. Vishwanath Anand. Option C. Pravin Tipse. Option D. Abhijit Kunte. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Vishwanath Anand. Which is the 3-star general officer rank in the Indian Army? Option A. Lieutenant General. Option B. Field Marshal. Option C. General. Option D. Major General. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. Lieutenant General. Who became the first Minister of Co-operation of India? Option A. Smriti Irani. Option B. Rajnath Singh. Option C. Narendra Modi. Option D. Amit Shah. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Amit Shah.